everyone, I am Glycel Iviliana and we will going to learn about columns. Columns are used in many types of documents and they are most commonly used in newspapers, magazines, academic journals, and newsletters. You will learn in this lesson how to insert columns into a document and create column breaks. To add columns into your document, first, you must select the text you want to format. Second, click the Page Layout tab. And third, click the Columns command. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the number of columns you want to insert, like column 2, 3, or if you want your column into the left side or in the right side, or more columns. You choose more columns if you want, like column 6, and more columns. Now let's go back in column 2. And to add column breaks, you must first place the insertion point where you want to add the break. Click the Page Layout tab. And then click the Break command in the Page Setup group. And the drop-down menu will appear. And then select the column from the list of the break types. Now, this is the column break. If you want to remove the columns, just click the column command and select 1 for the number column. Page layout, column command, 1 for the number columns.
저절로 내게 눈이 가 네가 입은 옷 무늬가 눈에 띄는 것도 아닌데 온종일 다른 일을 하고 있는 중에도 이 사람 참 괜찮단 말이야
이 행동 하나하나에 다 들렸던